A reading from St. Matthew's Gospel, chapter 5. Jesus said to his disciples, "You have heard that it was said to those of ancient times, 'You shall not swear falsely, but carry out the vows you have made to the Lord.' But I say to you, do not swear at all, either by heaven, for it is the throne of God, or by the earth, for it is his footstool, or by Jerusalem, for it is the city of the great King. And do not swear by your head, for you cannot make one hair white or black. Let your word be yes, if yes, or no, if no. Anything more than this comes from the evil one." A judge or jurors in a secular court in most modern countries come to a conclusion based on evidence. But testimonies of experts or witnesses may influence the judgment. Arguments of attorneys also affect the judge or the jurors. But it is not uncommon to see wrong judgments are made in the court system. Plaintiffs and defendants can present strong cases while hiding truth. Judges and jurors can have prejudices and can be deceived. As we see in many court movies and dramas, and also in real cases, it matters more to have a better lawyer than to reveal truth to receive a satisfactory judgment. Often truth never come to light, or truth do not receive fair treatment under legal technicalities. It is very different before God and His court. It's because He pierces the deepest part of our hearts. He discerns our intentions much better than we do. We cannot justify good outcomes with wrongful intentions. But God also watches all our deeds. We cannot rationalize our good intentions when we adopt secret evil means under His watch. We might hire many renowned scholars in theology to make arguments for what we have decided and done. But I am not sure if it is useful to argue before the all-knowing God, Almighty God. Let your word be yes, if yes, or no, if no. Anything more than this comes from the evil one. This word of Jesus might sound inflexible or authoritarian, but before God, who knows our hearts better than we do, we don't have to explain much. He urges us to be conscious of the presence of God in our hearts. Jesus asks us to be truthful to our conscience where we encounter the voice of God. Conscience is not a court of argument or defense. It is a place to meet our God. Let us listen to His voice in our conscience and say yes to good and say no to evil.